My name is Julius Biarhanga. I have 15 years of experience. I've worked as a lecturer at Uganda Christian University, Mukono. I've also worked as a research fellow at the Catholic University of Leuven in Belgium. And currently I work as a Director Policy Research and Advocacy at Private Sector Foundation Uganda. My expectation is that from this meeting or gathering of very brilliant minds, we come out with practical solutions to accelerate or to achieve the tenfold growth strategy of Uganda in the next 14 years and 11 months, to be precise, which we are remaining with, to be able to beat the economy of South Africa, which is a tall order, but I hope from this meeting we'll come up with those practical solutions. And this, my expectation is that should be anchored into private sector growth, competitiveness, and essentially profitability. Thank you. Great.